everyone, we couldn't continue the vlog yesterday. We had to go to Diskit Monastery, but there was some landslide, so we thought we'll come back because we had to come back by evening. Let's not take risk, and we just head back. And now my friend's a bit he's like, I wanna have some rest, so I'm leaving him here and I am going towards Sangam Point, Magnetic Hill and maybe Alchi Monastery. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Probably this is the third day in Leh. So we have reached the Sangam Point. As you can see, there are two rivers over here. One is this one, this small one, and then there is another one. So this is the Indus river, and then there comes the Zanskar river. And just see the view. It is on another level, guys. You just can't even imagine. So let's go down there and I'll show you guys properly. So chalo, let's go. I just crossed maybe Magnetic Hill and Hall of Fame. We'll check that while going on the way. So first let's go down and check that. I stopped here to get a clear view of Indus Zanskar Sangam over here. So I'll just show it clearly to you. This is Zanskar and this is Indus. So both are colliding over here and they flow over here. So this point is known as Indus Zanskar Sangam point. And the view, guys. Oh my god, I could stay here all the time. So yeah, after coming here to the Sangam point, we saw some world size river rafting, and I'm gonna try that now. So this is the place wherein you have to like come and keep all of your luggage stuff, everything, and then from here we go 14 kilometers ahead, and from there we start a river rafting and we come come ahead. So I'll show you the process how it is. For 14 kilometers it is around 2000 rupees per person. And you will have a guide. Around 8 people will go in this. So yeah, let's try that. And you have to keep our luggage in this locker. Yeah, a bit of change in plans. We're not doing the river rafting over here because I'm alone and I have my luggage, everything. I can't keep it over here and go. That's okay. Maybe next time, some other time. And somewhere from there we come all the point till here, I guess. That's how the river rafting is done over here, probably. Okay, fine. We'll sit here for some time and then we still have other places to check out. Also, we don't have much time. So let's go. The time's around 1 PM in the afternoon. We have come quite a bit close. This is the Zanskar river over here. Exactly, and this is the Zanskar 2 second bridge. So yeah, you can see the water flow is high. Amidst all the mountains, the view is just amazing, guys. So let's go. I don't know where I'm heading to. I just saw some village named Chiling. So let's go, let's check it out. Oh my god, I just found some amazing view. Crazy, it is all just amazing, guys. I think there is some bungee jumping, maybe, if I'm not wrong. So let's go and check it out. This is all the mountains we have here everywhere, nothing else except mountains. That's the bungee point also. I'm not trying this because I have to return back. So yeah, maybe probably next time we'll come prepared to this. I was not prepared at all for all of these things. So we'll prepare and we'll come back the next time and we'll do all these adventure sports. So let's go. This is where we get to the bungee jumping, and we just ask how much it costs. भाई बंजी जंपिंग के लिए कितना होगा?
हाँ जी,
कितना होगा पर पर्सन का?
बंजी जंपिंग का चार्जेस ये है।
ओके।
हाँ, और आप लोग अगर बंजी करना चाहे तो यहाँ व्यू पॉइंट से एक वीडियो खुद बना सकते हैं। ओके। उसके बाद अगर आपको
नहीं मैं देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को
आपका वो लोग मैं करूँगा ना कंप्लीट। अगर आपको क्लोजअप वीडियो चाहिए तो गोप्रो का चार्जेस है 1000 रुपीज़, जो आपके हाथ में लेकर जंप करना होगा वो है। यहाँ एक वीडियो आपको जो खुद खींच सकता हूँ, मतलब
हाँ।
ले सकते हो जैसे भी एंगल से।
ओके।
यहाँ व्यू पॉइंट से
उधर
वो
view
है।
point, हाँ,
बाकी आपको क्लोजअप चाहिए तो हम गोप्रो
GoPro,
प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
ये लद्दाख बंजी जंपिंग है,
हाँ,
अगले 3 साल से, ये तीसरा सीजन है।
तीसरे सीजन से
हाँ।
सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा है ना?
सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है, बिल्कुल आज तक कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं जो हम नेगेटिव सोचे,
ठीक।
क्योंकि हम इंटरनेशनल सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो कर रहे हैं।
ओके।
ओके।
So as you can see, they follow all international safety standards, and the price is also normal only, which they charge elsewhere also. The view from here is just on another level, so I think it is okay to pay. Probably you guys can come and check it out too. This is on the way to Padum ki जाने के लिए. This is on the way to Padum from I guess some 8 or 9 kilometers from Sangam Point. So yeah, he's about to jump. Yeah, and even the person's weight plays a major role over here. So as per what I was told is around 110 kgs is the max weight that a person can be. If he is more than that, they can't do this. So yeah, let's go. There is some waterfall, as the person inside just said me that there is some waterfall near chilling. If there is water, it looks amazing, he said. So yeah, let's go. Let's see that if there is any water. If we are lucky enough, let's check that. And yeah, here they come all the way. I think this is around 9 kilometers left for them to raft. Yeah, they go all the way. Ooh, nice. Chalo, I don't know where I'm going towards. The view is amazing. Let's go, and I'll get back to room sometime. So yeah, I guess we are near the waterfall, and probably this is how the waterfall looks. Maybe there is a lot of water or something. I think the view would be much better. Like when there is a lot of water, I think it comes all the way from there. So here is another way. Let's go. Maybe this at least has some steps. So I think this is a better option than that. Okay, we are trekking in mountains. Maybe this is not trek actually, but yeah, something like that. We're doing this stuff in this altitude. It's okay, it's fine. Okay, the water has its path over here, and I'm just following it. I'll usually pant, but then here I have to pant a lot because I'm at high altitude, around 13,000 feet. So yeah, oh my god, wow, I found some waterfall. Yeah, there are few people as well. Let's just go and check it out. We'll go near the waterfall, we'll catch up. Just drank some water, felt a lot thirsty. It's quite difficult to walk here. Yeah, again I have to climb this. I don't know where the water comes from, but yeah, it's looking nice. Ouch. So yeah, we finally are near the waterfall. After trekking for about 5 minutes, I guess it's not that far, it's near only. So I'll just show it to you. to the waterfall. Oh my god. How does this look, guys? Okay, it's pretty small falls, but this is located in Zanskar Valley amidst all the mountains. This waterfall is near a village called Chilling Village. You'll find a cafe down, and on top of that it will be written like way to waterfall. So you can take that way and you can come here, and maybe you can chill with your friends over here, but just be a bit cautious when there is a lot of water flow. Don't go near, and yeah, just be careful when you're here. So yeah, let's go back. Okay, then maybe I thought I'll go front to Nira, but then it says that some guy over down said me that Nirak is closed, so I think I'll have to head back. We'll head back to maybe Magnetic Hill. I'll show you Magnetic Hill also. It was on the way, but then I couldn't show you guys because I thought let me show it while going on the go. So yeah, let's go and we'll talk there. And yeah, by the way, I was told that this waterfall looks amazing in winters. Most people come here in winters only. I think it'll all be freezed, like there'll be a lot of snow over here when you come in winters or something like that. So yeah, I'm heading back now. Found this one amazing thing. I don't know what this is, but then the place where this is located is just amazing. Like you can see, it's right in center, and there is one mountain, and here and there is another one. Actually it's surrounded by mountains only, but then this greenery adds some, this greenery makes it look more amazing. So yeah, this is a holy wheel, like how we do ring bells in temples. The same way they rotate it thrice. So that's how this is, it seems. This is exactly Magnetic Hill. If you put your vehicle in neutral, it will automatically pull upwards. I don't know if it is this side or this side. I was standing and the vehicle was pulling me towards this side. I mean, it's declined this side, and towards that side we have it's quite steep actually. It's quite declined over here, but then the vehicle is still not going. I'm just show it to you. I'm not even applying brakes or anything. It's declined. That is to stop. Like from there, it is declined. It is going like this, but then the vehicle isn't moving. As we come on the way, we get like after around 2-3 kilometers from the Magnetic Hill, you get this Pathar Sahib Gurudwara. So this is it. So let's go in and see. So yeah, this is on the way to Leh. So yeah, we are entering into the Gurudwara now. This is my first time I've not been inside. So we have to take these. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Patka. So we have to take these patkas and I guess we have to tie it. So we did tie the patka and we are going inside the Gurudwara now. So yeah, just done with everything and had an amazing langar, that is food. It was just amazing. They gave us roti, rice, paneer, and some other 2 different curries and dal chawal. Dal was there, and then kheer. Everything was just amazing. It was an amazing feeling being over here. I'll be here the next time when I come to Leh also. Not missing out on this place. So yes, we are leaving from Gurudwara Pathar Sahib now, and maybe we'll go towards Keystone Monastery, or if I feel a bit tired, I'll just go to place where I'm staying and I'll take some rest because tomorrow is a big day. But seriously guys, here this was a very nice place. Not missing it next time either. You guys can check it out. I didn't know how to like what was the rituals we had to do, but then one person helped me in doing this thing. Like first we have to come and we have to tie the patka, and then we have to go inside and you have to take see Gurudwara, inside the Gurudwara, and then you have to come and have langar. This is the first time I'm hearing about langar as well. So yeah, chalo, let's go. So yeah, now we are near the Hall of Fame. This Hall of Fame was built in memory of our soldiers who lost their lives in the Indo-Pak wars. And so here this is how it is. So we'll just go inside. I don't know what's the process to go inside. I'm feeling a bit breathless. I don't know why, but it's fine. Maybe once I go and rest, I'll be good, I guess. So yeah, I don't think we are supposed to record anything inside, as this place is constructed and maintained by our army. So yeah, I'll just go and come back. This is inside the Hall of Fame. I'm in Spittook Monastery, also known as Kali Mata. Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, it's really quite difficult to breathe, and I think that's that part, exactly that part is the airport over here. That's it. What my heart rate is. See, this is what it is. I'm doing things quite slow, which I am not used to, even though I have a... Okay, I can't talk, sorry. I'm inside the temple now. So yeah, this is the Spittook Monastery, or the Kali Mata temple. I think everything is closed. There is nobody here. We completed the Spittook Monastery, or the Kali Mata temple over here, and I'm back to the place where I stay, back to the room now, hotel now. So probably I'll rest for some time, and tomorrow we're heading back to Manali. And that's it, guys. The trip is almost done. So yeah. Also, thanks for watching the vlog. If you guys like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.